Welcome to another video and episode on my driving robot Discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller, running embedded Linux and in online mode, programmed in Python. It has two front sensors as well, two front touch sensors, and it has on front active sonar, which means that it sends ultrasonic sound, and it receives it, and the turnaround time divided by 2 gives the distance to any object, and it is a 3D cone, so it can detect here, 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 and well, in 3D. Also, it has a propeller at the back which indicates that the algorithm is running. And it is now on a cloth to find out if the touch effects, when detected, have indeed a nice result of turning around. Because last time I found that when it actually hit the object, the wheels slipped on the surface. That surface and not that one. And I try to, after it has booted, as you can see in the blue screen, it has booted. I wanted to connect to the system, and it says no route to host, which surprises me. So I just checked some network connections, which should be alright. So let me try again. And now it does. So there was a wiring problem apparently. And I'm in. For a second terminal, I do it as well. Alright, so because I have not had any comment from the FT Pi developer that in the new firmware the camera can operate in which way. I have no camera on this one for the time being. So on now at a distance of, let's see, that's about 40 centimeters. Let's see whatever it does, provided that it does something. Run. It says connected. There it goes. I'm fine with that one. And it touches. But now I would like it to actually do something other than saying, okay, something is touched. I haven't put the cloth there for nothing. Oh, see, and I saw this gear work, but that's all. So let me lift it. Oh, see, that is what's happening. I don't like that. This means that one of the problems has returned for a moment. Let me do it again. So go, and yes, this was oh, it stopped automatically, I see. Yes, this was, and once again this one slipped completely. No, I put that wrong. This slipped, not this one. And probably that one as well. Why does it slip? That's a very good question. Maybe something mechanical? It could be. Let me figure that one out. Alright, a very short test reveals that it is hardly possible to put the wheel tighter around the axle. So I'll have to deal with it. And now let's also see if I can make contact. No. Simple question. No, I can't. I haven't upgraded it because I had some I downloaded an upgrade because there would be an upgrade for a Pro, but I haven't done the another attempt to upgrade it. But the strange thing is, why doesn't it make contact anyway? Yeah, let me make contact. Wireless, yes. TXT controller, yes. And this is the IP address, yes. So this is very strange. And the fact that I can just ping anything from my computer, because here I am from this computer on the controller, is weird, just weird. And I am here in the correct environment. So why this doesn't work anymore is beyond me. Anyway, let me do something else. I will temporarily remove this one, put this one here, so half here, half there. Robot, let's say here. Let's go again. Oh, I have to be in here, of course. Contact was 2, by the way, so that is everything alright. Go. Now I need to keep this in mind. Okay. This is a new situation because it wanted to turn that way. This one forward, that one backward, turns it like that. So let me do it in another way. Another attempt, and then I'll lift it to see whatever really happens. Could not acquire. I don't care for now. So just let it run. Yeah, very good. Yeah, making a clear turn to the back and there, so it goes that way. Not that way, but that way. But then again, why doesn't it do it without lifting? I don't like that. Or should I put it right here? Yes, please. Why this diversion? I don't like that. Okay. Just like this. Go. Whoa. And once again, right here, it goes wrong. Okay. Just starting it again. Yeah, right. New outcome every time. Not to my liking at all. Alright, can I do it in another way then? Let me do it like this. One object here and one other object here. See whatever happens. If something happens. And I have to be here. Let's see. Oh, see here, it completely slips. It wants to turn that way, but it feels now. Why doesn't it do it? It might be because of the hand wheel. That just might be. It's not it's not a very good construction. I have to grant that. Okay, let's do it like this. Another way, another time. Okay, that is one. Contact one. And that's about it. Oh, and something else, unfortunately. -3. A minus digit once again. Makes absolutely no sense. Oh wait, I see a distance of 200. Wait. Where is that coming from? Distance 200, which is from contact 1. Oh, right. It wants to make a right turn over distance of 200 clicks. Which isn't far, but it's there anyway. Yeah, how to proceed with all this kind of problems. So a slipping axle is not good. What should I do then? Remove the cloth? Right, I'll remove the cloth. I thought the cloth would make some well, it's not resistance, but it is a better ground for having it run, but apparently that doesn't work. So I'm taking it away for a moment. Then one here, one there. Okay, let's see. And look here, even that has the same idea. It slips in here. Wait, I'm thinking of something else which may act up. Because I have here a speed of 512 and minus 512. What are the other velocities? 125. Yep. And I go right here to sonar, and it's 125. I think that may be it. So going to contact this contact 1 and 2, and there's no speed involved, not really. Yeah. Wait. Right, let's keep it at 512. I don't care. Let's reduce this speed here to 125. I don't care. So here okay, and then here 125. Oh, minus and 125. Contact 1, contact 2, yeah. Which is where exactly? Here again. So right, and here the same idea. So 125, 125, and this is contact 1 and 2. Well, I can leave that because that's almost never happening. Never say never, but chances are not really big. So let's see if this is happening, if this goes better. Okay, let's first try the cloth again. Alright, 1, 2, and 3. See whatever that happens. Alright, before I do that, I want to see what the battery voltage is. Can I check that? It does interrupt every now and then, unfortunately. I do not see battery, so I have to gamble that it is still a nice voltage. Let's go and see whatever is happening or will happen. That's a touch. And that's it. Oh, counter 0 again. I don't like this at all. Alright. Let's do it then like this. The other way. Maybe that works. So no. And the same thing. Not really helping. Alright, then I'll do it this way. Okay, this is getting really annoying. Counter 0 pre, yeah, I know, but why doesn't that do? Line 959. Oh wait, it's 959. Is it that one? And it is about counter 0 pre. Okay, then counter 0 pre. And that's that one, finding backwards. Where is it being assigned? Right here, for example. Oh, this is, by the way, a bad idea. How many counter pre's do I have? No. Wait, no. Yeah, that's the one. That one and that one. And that one. Alright, so it is really this one, and it is every time this single one that is not being defined. Now one other thing is, of course, where does it get its counter from? Here it takes its counter from. Let's take a closer look. And I'm aware that the lighting isn't optimal, but this is where it gets it. No, this is input. I need to look here. Right here. And then it goes to that specific motor. And how are these connectors put into it? Seems to be alright. no, it's this one, and that certainly seems to be alright. So unfortunately I cannot check that right now with Rover Pro, simply because it doesn't make any contact for some weird reason. And counter 1 pre is no problem. So if I look here back, I do have to look at counter 0 pre. And this is a start. Here we have another start. Do I see something that resembles counter 0 pre? And then the result is 0. So if it doesn't matter, why does it go wrong there? What does data say? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay, and the point is, right here I put counter 0 pre into the data file, but only if it meets these conditions. So it doesn't even meet the condition. Wait, 959. So here it goes, and counter end. It does do the counter end right here, but it doesn't do the pre. So if I make a check for counter pre is none, then I can skip it. I think that's a better idea. On the other hand, I still have problems here, but if I keep getting interrupted because of this one, it's not going to be any better. And I'm running against the end of this video, so let me try this quickly and see whatever happens. Alright, what I tried to fix came up with a different error. So first I predefined counter 0 pre to 0. Then I came up with this one again. Next attempt was suddenly, not this one, let's see, suddenly this one is not defined, and that is the disadvantage of an interpreter. It only shows you the first next problem, not all problems at once. So this one was there as well, so I predefined this one. it is at least known then. And next is this. Something else. Anyway, I have to wrap up. Time is done. Time is up. But it is clear that the algorithm is not completely good. Let's put it that way. Many things remain to be done. New camera stuff, and fixing of the algorithm with speed, because in between it ran with dazzling speed as well. So, and then hopefully I can find out why this doesn't work anymore, because this is not funny. And that's it. So, thanks for watching. Whatever is happening is happening. Sonar does work, touch sensors do work. I just worry about the wheels, because apparently the friction between the axle and the wheel is not such that it turns around nicely, which it did in the past, but not anymore. No clue why. Anyway, yeah, no more to say for now. If you like this video with experiments, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I would appreciate it if you made a small donation via Wired or PayPal, or you can become a patron and have your name mentioned. Much more information under this video, and I highly appreciate anything. To be continued, and for now, bye bye.